Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eye look using the Kat Von D Saint Center palette and the Rihanna Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette. I wanted to do something with the Galaxy palette, but since it is just meant to be used as toppers, I needed to add in another palette, and I'm going to again be using the Saint Center palette. So if you want to see what I do with this look, just keep watching. Okay, so to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier eye primer. And I'm going to go in first starting with the Kat Von D palette. I'm going to go in using Martyr, which is this light brown, as my transition color. And I'm going to focus on this outer corner, darkening it up just a little bit. Then I'm going to just take a little bit of this dark brown crucifix, and I'm just going to put that right into the outer corners of my eye to just darken that up. And I'm going to take a clean brush and just blend that out a little bit. Then I'm going to take a flat brush, and I'm going to go in with this yellow color here called Relic. And I'm going to pat that all over my lids. Okay, and then I'm going to pull out my Fenty Beauty palette. And something that I've learned when using this palette is that you really have to just make sure that you keep your brush wet, so I'm going to be doing that by using the NYX setting powder, or setting spray. Okay, and the first color I'm going to go in with is this kind of yellow color here, and that is called Sunburst. And I'm just going to put that over everywhere that I put that yellow from the Saint Center palette. And then on top of that, I'm going to take just a little bit of this like pinky gold color, which is called Meteor Crush, and I'm going to put that kind of right on top of where I put that yellow, mostly focusing on the outer half. And then I'm going to take some of this, and then I'm going to take some of this brown up here. It's called Planet X. And I'm going to pop that in the outer corner of my eye. And I'm just using the same brush for this because it's not really a big deal for me if I get all of these colors mixed together. I'm going to put some mascara on. And that is my finished look. It's pretty simple, but it's just, these glitters are so beautiful, and they really just add like that pop of color that you just really want for some looks without being like overly obnoxious, I guess. And again, they aren't extremely pigmented, but they're not meant to be used on their own, so I don't really mind that. But overall, it's really beautiful. If you guys can see that, it makes a gorgeous look, and I am very happy with this palette. I absolutely love it. If you guys liked this video, make sure you smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, head on over to my channel to see some of the other videos I've done. Thanks guys, bye!